We're recording now. Which one do you want to do? This one?
Yeah. My head's like that.
Okay, to move back and forth, you gotta step together. Then jump. Okay, ready? Wait. Stop moving. You're controlling. Put your hand out and do the one on the right. Go down. There you go. Ready? To go? Jump! This way! Okay, ready to jump on this cliff. No, jump!
Jump!
Oh, there's no cliff.
Ah!
Jump!
No! Jump!
Jump!
Boost!
Oh, we ran right into that thing.
Boost!
To the right! To the left!
Oh! What?
Keep going straight! We look like twins. Do you notice we look like twins?
Yeah. Fly! Yeah, fly!
Up the ramp! Oh man, we missed it.
Jump! Fly!
Wait, through the thing. We're gonna go fast now. Jump! Whoa!
Fly! No, this way! Jump! Oh, to go down? Jump! Fly! To go straight down and fly.
Whoa!
Fly!
The other way. This way. Oh, we're gonna go down fast now.
Woo-hoo! Get it! This is the hard.
Go the other way.
This is hard. Woohoo! Fly!
No? If you're gonna jump, you have to tell me you're gonna jump.
Get it!
Whoa! We're to the finish. Jump!
51.
How many did we get?
51. I do this.
I'm just standing there the whole time.
Me and Leo. No, man. Nah. I say you. I was
You have to take turns, Julian. Let's watch them. Julian, come back here. Let's watch them, Julian.
This one was me and
Too
Max.
close, Max.
Yeah, I know. What?
Listen.
When was me and Max then I'm gonna come out, okay?
Okay, to tell Liam that. Then Liam gets 2 turns. Right, Liam?
Max.
Who's there you go. Skip. You skip on the right.
It's mine, I think.
You skip on there you go.
Woo! Do this side. Wrong side, Julian. That side. Okay, then go this side.
Hey, Julian, you're a girl now.
Jump! Go run. In between it, Julian. In between it. Not in between that one.
Go. Oh! You guys make both of them.
Okay.
Julian, tell him when you're going to jump.
Up the ramp! Jump!
Nice one.
Go this side. No.
Oh, you're jumping too much, Julian.
Julian, you're jumping too much. Julian, you're jumping too much.
Julian, you're off the screen. Get back on the screen. There you go. Max, you gotta move back. There you go. Keep jumping.
Julian, you have to jump over.
Work together. Tell each other when you're going to jump.
Turn. Jump. Oh, Julian.
You guys are moving up too far. You gotta back up.
Go. Jump.
Nice one.
Jump.
Nice one.
Jump.
You guys gotta back up.
Jump. Oh my God. Jump. Yes. Jump.
Julian, you gotta back up. You're throwing off the board again.
Flying.
No, you guys gotta back up. You're moving up again.
Okay, now jump. Go sideways. Jump. This way.
Oh, you made it. Oh.
This way. This way. Jump.
How many did you guys get?
68. We beat you.
Okay, Liam's turn.
With luck.
You guys gotta make sure you don't move up too far. Stop. Continue. Who's controlling? Yeah. You can replay, Max.
No, I want to. Is there a different one that you can do?
No, you can't do 3, I don't think, bud.
No, you can't. Yeah. Julian, you can't do 3, I know. But there's another game that you... There's the sports thing that you... Yeah, can we play a sports one?
This one is the river one. It's not the sports one.
Can we do the sports one?
I don't know where the disc is.
I'll find it.
Okay, I'm gonna stop this and we'll see how it sounds.